This is Kapil Gunjika. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjika Life of Vlogs. I know you have read the title. My viewers are smart. I know that. The thing is, me and my brother both have tried our level best to record and do the commentary as well as play, as we were trying to play this game very first time on the desktop, basically. Guys, I'm not able to understand. Like, what to cover, what not to cover, as this is a nostalgic TV video game and being played on desktop. And the most important thing is, I don't know what would be your reaction, but still, I'm taking a risk. I'm taking a maybe because of your reactions, your comments. Feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I'll be able to understand where I have made mistakes, what kind of mistakes I have made, so that I can shoot this game again. We may not be able to show our faces because we'll keeping the camera facing towards the monitor, and maybe at the end or maybe in between somewhere we'll be there in the video. So let's see you in the video or at the end of the video after this intro, and do watch the game and tell us if you know any other strategies or for any of the stages, right guys? Any of those stages, wherever, like, we are not gone too far or we have not advanced too far stages, I suppose. Whichever stage we get stuck on or whatever that this thing is, feel free to comment. Also feel free to share and like. After subscribing, also press the bell icon. Let's see you in the video. Welcome back. As I told you in the intro part, this is Super Tank 2, which is Battle City basically. This is a nostalgic TV video game which we are playing on desktop. I'll show you the keyboard. I hope you are able to recognize. We have configured the settings, like basically we are playing 2 players. Puneet, please. We'll go into the game, and the main thing is try to survive all the levels and protect your king. This is stage 1 right from beginning. I am at the right with green tank. You have to protect this eagle over here as well as your partner. So we'll be like communicating this particular, I don't know what, king or eagle or what it is. You have to protect that as well as you have to protect your partner. Since there is 2 players, strategy might, this is a shield, like shovel, and every level the strategy changes. Sometimes he's take the star. There are various. See, we have almost placed. We have completed our level 1. We are going to level 2. That will take its own time. So this is a different map, war map, sort of a thing. I have taken a life. I got an extra life over there. That tank says Sorry for the dead air, guys. But as I am trying to talk and tell you the game as well, a little difficult to do multitasking, guys. See, I am always on the supportive role. My brother is always on the aggressive part of it. Basically, we used to play these games on TV video game. Now it feels nostalgic to play on the desktop. Chalega. You go up. Take the life, Puneet, take the life. Take life. Completed stage 3. Now we'll be going to stage 4. There would be dead air in between. So these are the normal tanks. We are trying to take a lead, and the one with blinking, if you shoot them, there are some powers for you or for the players so that they can. These are the normal tanks again. That's another normal tank which Puneet hit. Puneet has a yellow tank. I am having a green tank. These are the fast tanks, guys. See those fast moving tanks. This one is a slow normal tank. Another slow tank. Now that was a bigger tank which has more tanky capacity. And now we are trying to basically see, you have to fit lot many times. Stage 4 completed. My brother Puneet 15,300, and I am as usual playing a supportive role. This is a real difficult stage, and this is my favorite place to hang out. This is where I try to keep a hold of, because it is real difficult to
take the shower, please.
Yeah, sure. Oh, that I lost. Sorry, Puneet.
Can you tell me, Kapil, what is the meaning of that shovel?
Shovel. If we take shovel, yes, Puneet. If we take shovel, this wall right over here. This wall, it becomes like steel. Metallic. That's the reason we take shovel, nothing else.
And what was that jacket besides my tank? Yellow color.
That was protective shield, like protective cover shield, where the bullets from the opposite tank do not kill or do not do any harm to our tanks. See, this is again, we can walk through. It is like trees or this thing. So that is a life, guys. This tank is life. I would request if my brother could go and take a life.
Actually, I was going to you take the life.
Take the bomb. See, if we take the bomb, all the live tanks die or they are killed. Yeah, I have less tanks. That's the reason. I'll take the star. This is see, my firing power and my firing capacity.
What does the star do?
Firepower and the firing capacity increases, or the damage increases.
And damage taking capacity as well.
Yeah, damage taking capacity as well of a tank. So we have completed stage 6 at one go. Oh, this is, see, my firepower has increased, guys. This is what star power does.
Take the one.
Bomb. You see, we can go through the trees, but not through the metals, not through the. There is a water sometimes, as you saw earlier in one stage.
Take the timer.
This is a timer, guys. See, the timer makes them stand still. They don't move. The tanks don't move.
But for a short limited of
But that is very short limit of time. There are only 3 tanks left. 1, 2, and there is a shovel again. And this is the last tank, and we have completed stage 7. Oh, that's the reason. See, if you cross 20,000 or 22,000, I think 20 or 22, I don't know. 22,000, 20,000. Then you get another life. Oh, this is. I know. I'm like, I don't know. Oh, sorry. I'll have to wait here, and my brother normally stands right over there because it's just straight. And I think we will have to leave all the powers. Yes, as I thought so. We just were able to. No, we lost the game, guys. Game over, guys. This is what game is all about. This is a very tricky stage, as you saw. There was a threat right from top, and there was a threat all over. This is the highest score. Basically, this is the game, nothing else. So we may try to continue the playing game again. I hope you are able to see me, or I'll just try to. I hope you are able to see me. I'll ask my brother to hold the camera, and I'll move a little bit. Can I just? Or this is okay? Yeah. So this is what I was trying to tell you. I was trying to search this game on the internet. My brother found it out, and he told we can play this game again. In school days, we used to go at our friend's place to play this TV video game or take it on a rental. Was it a Nintendo?
It was Nintendo.
Yeah, it was Nintendo, which we used to watch friends play or sometimes play on a TV video game with joystick, controller, and
It used
memory.
to be 8-bit cartridge game.
Which one?
8-bit cartridge.
8-bit cartridge. So that game now we play on computer. See, you can see my entire setup. It's a little different setup, guys. So this is what nostalgic game I wanted to show you, where you can play in indoor. It is a 2-player, 1 player. So even single player can be played, or 2 players can play this game. I hope you like this video. See, there are 2 wireless keyboards where we have mapped our controls, which keys. You cannot do the same keys. So he has his own set of keys. I have my own set of keys which are comfortable with, where we can play as a team and try to cover maximum stages and score highest as possible. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this channel as far as possible to maximum people, and comment your suggestions in the comment section below. Please press the bell icon after subscription. Hope you like this video, and feel free to suggest in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.